Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best foam car cleaner is probably one of the most effective ways to give your car a showroom shine. These cleaners create a rich, sudsy foam that gently lifts away dirt and grime, leaving your car looking spotless. In this video, we'll dive into the world of foam car cleaners, exploring their benefits, how to use them, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your vehicle. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. This product has been a customer favorite for over a decade, with tens of thousands of positive reviews. It's one of the best-selling items from Chemical Guys. People love it. Want the best way to wash your car? This product creates tons of foam. The thick, bubbly suds help lift away dirt and grime from any vehicle. It works with whatever method you prefer. Whether you use a bucket and mitt, a foam gun, or a cannon, this soap delivers plenty of foam for a great wash. A little goes a long way. Just add a small amount to your wash bucket or foam solution tank. Then, get ready for a foam frenzy. Washing your car should be enjoyable. This product makes the process easier and smells fantastic. It leaves your car looking and feeling amazing. What we like. This car wash soap creates a mountain of foamy fun, making your wash easier and more enjoyable. It's also pH balanced, so it's gentle on your car's finish and safe for your wax and sealants. If you are looking for a car wash soap that delivers a great clean and smells fantastic, you should consider this one. What people say. Application is easy. Removes bugs, dirt, grime with ease. Works great in a foam cannon. Number 4. Chemical Guy's TORQ Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun. Make car cleaning fast, easy, and fun for the entire family. This foam wash gun easily connects to any standard garden hose, creating a foamy cleaning experience that leaves cars sparkling. Car wash foam is a professional secret for a scratch-free finish. This product turns your car wash into a foam bubble bath, gently removing dirt and contaminants without grinding them into your paintwork, ensuring a flawless, damage-free finish. Over 95% of swirls and scratches come from improper washing techniques. By applying slick car wash foam, it reduces the risk of swirls and scratches, offering a safer way to clean your car and keep the paintwork protected. Easily adjust the foam concentration to suit your car's level of dirt. Whether it's lightly soiled or heavily dirty, simply turn the dial to control the dilution ratio, saving soap and water while achieving optimal foam coverage for cleaning. Looking for the perfect gift this holiday season? This foam wash gun makes car cleaning fun and easy. Ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion, this gift is sure to delight car enthusiasts with its foam wash power and simplicity. What we like. This foam wash gun connects directly to your garden hose, making it super easy to use. It creates a thick foam that gently lifts dirt away, reducing the risk of scratches. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to wash your car at home, you should consider this. What people say. The detachable nozzle gives you a great spray pattern for rinsing too. After spraying the foam, I used the Chemical Guy mitt. Everything was coming off effortlessly without having to scrub. The tip swivels so you can shoot a foam line vertically or horizontally, which is a cool feature, but the dial to control how much product you are using doesn't seem to really make a huge difference between setting 1 and 4. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Extreme Wash and Wax, Grape Scent. For over a decade, this product has been a top-rated choice on Amazon. It consistently receives excellent reviews. People love it, and you will too. The secret to a spotless car starts with a great wash. This product creates thick, dirt-fighting foam. It helps clean any vehicle thoroughly. Whether you use a bucket, foam gun, or cannon, this product is perfect. It delivers loads of foam and suds for an amazing wash experience. Chemical Guys makes products for everyone. This product is easy enough for beginners and effective enough for professionals. It's made in the USA. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Just add a small amount to your wash bucket or foam cannon. Get ready for a foam frenzy. Washing your car should be enjoyable. This product has an amazing grape scent. It adds an unparalleled level of shine to your ride. This product is pH balanced and gentle on all exterior car parts. It's safe on paint, clear coat, and more. It's also safe for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. What we like. This product combines cleaning and waxing in one step, saving you time and effort. It also leaves behind a fantastic grape scent. If you are looking for a car wash soap that adds shine and protection while smelling amazing, you should consider this. What people say. Cleans dirt like no tomorrow. It took just a little bit of scrubbing. It works great. Long-lasting shine. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 126 14-piece car wash kit. This kit is the perfect gift for any car enthusiast. It includes everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. It's a great way to show someone you care. If you love cars, then you'll love this kit. The tools included make cleaning your car fast, easy, and fun for the entire family. Get ready to enjoy a foamy car wash experience. Elevate your car care game with the professional detailing tools included in this kit. It's designed to make your car cleaning experience enjoyable. You'll be amazed at the results. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for a reason. They offer the finest car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. The foam gun easily hooks up to any standard garden hose. No additional tools or machines are required. Get ready for a foamy cleaning experience right in your own backyard. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including a foam gun, bucket, and various cleaning chemicals. It's a perfect gift for any car enthusiast. If you are looking for a comprehensive car wash solution that makes a great gift, you should consider this. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to use and produces thick, clinging foam. The soap is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. The foam cannon is well built and durable. Number 1. Chemical Guys HOL 169 16-piece car wash kit. This kit is the perfect gift for any car enthusiast. It includes everything needed to keep any car looking its best, making it a gift that keeps on giving. If you love cars, you'll love this kit. It makes cleaning your car fast, easy, and fun for the whole family, ensuring a sparkling shine. This kit elevates your exterior detailing. It also includes interior cleaning products, ensuring a comprehensive clean for your vehicle. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for top-quality products and world-class support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle with a global community. The included foam cannon easily connects to your pressure washer for foamy cleaning action. Unlike other kits, this one features a powerful foam cannon. What we like. This kit includes a foam cannon, bucket, and various cleaning chemicals. It is designed to work with a pressure washer for maximum foam and cleaning power. If you are looking for a complete car wash kit that delivers professional-level results, you should consider this. What people say. Comes with everything you need except for the deionized water. Spray on, wipe off, then buff a little. The Chemical Guys HOL 169 Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit has been an absolute game-changer in my car cleaning routine. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need to achieve professional quality results right in your own driveway. One of the standout features of this kit is the foam gun. It effortlessly creates thick, luxurious foam that clings to the car's surface, effectively loosening dirt and grime for a safer and more thorough wash. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the foam output, ensuring an even coverage every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.